Hey y'all, so let me put this light on. But hey y'all, so right now I am about to do a yoni steam. Yoni steaming is an ancient practice that allows you to cleanse your womb of any past energies from anyone that you have laid down with. It's actually a really good thing. So I'm about to do that now. Hi y'all, so I'm about to do my yoni steam. I have my box right here. If you want to know more about this box and how to get your own, you can just ask me in the comments. But this is how it looks. It looks really good, doesn't it? I had invested in like a yoni box, like a wooden yoni box, not a plastic yoni box, but a wooden yoni box, and it's worth it. Also, I have, these are the herbs that I'm utilizing for my yoni steam, by the way. And I have my herbs like right here. I'll kind of try to bring them to the light, to my ring light. But it has like all the good herbs in there. Now, after I like boil them really good, all I'm gonna do is like sit this like in the center down here. And then like I'll put this on top, and then I'll sit down and let the steam come up, you know? Yeah, so I'm ready. This is gonna be my second yoni steam, but I'm so ready for it because it allows you to like cut the energetic cords that you may had obtained by laying down with someone, like your ex-partners and stuff like that. It cleanses all those energies out and allows you just to be remained like with your own energy. That way no one can, like previous partners or anyone who you lay down with, cannot pull on your energy to try to manifest off of your womb, because your womb is for you to manifest. So yeah, I'm about to do this now. Let's get started. So I'm gonna take the pot I just had and I'm gonna go fill it up with some water, and then I'm gonna let it steam, and I'll be right back. Okay, so right now I have put water in it and I'm gonna let it like steam. I'm gonna put this lid on top of it and I'm just gonna wait for it to steam. And after it steams for some time, then I'll grab it and then we'll bring it. Then we'll end up bringing it back inside, y'all. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Hi y'all, so I'm back, as y'all can see. So I got my pot down here and I'm gonna just lift this up. But there's my herbs. As you can see, the steam. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it on top. I think this is it. I think this is good. Okay, and then I'll sit down on it. So hi y'all, I'm currently doing a yoni steam, if y'all can kind of see. I have my like wooden box right here and I am in the steaming process. I'm gonna set my intentions too. I'm gonna place my hand over my womb, just like a little bit above my stomach, belly button. I'm gonna say my intentions. Hey y'all, so I went ahead and I went ahead and threw out the yoni steam herbs that I used. I honestly do feel like different, I would say. And my like uterus area feels like so much better. But yeah, my favorite thing to do currently now, I already put some of these lash cluster. It's lash cluster removal. Hopefully y'all can see that lash cluster removal, and I actually want to take these off right now. So this is like my favorite thing to do, is just to snag these off. Oh my gosh, I cannot snag. Don't snag y'all lashes off. Don't snag the falsies off. Sometimes they're stubborn. Oh. Y'all, currently I have like no food like in my place. All I have is like Reese's. Oh my gosh, this one is still stuck on. So as y'all can like see, I'm gonna have to like take this cluster stuff right here. I have to take it and like I'm gonna have to like put some more on there, cause that needs to come off ASAP. Oh my god. Finally it came off. Okay, that's good. I'm about to be right back. I gotta get all my makeup cleanser stuff. Hopefully y'all can see me. By the way, I'm gonna have to get like a new SD card, by the way, so I can continue to make content. But I can kind of see why I have yet for my YouTube to really take off, because like my YouTube, like when it comes to like YouTube videos and stuff, it's good to like have multiple different videos like of you doing things, you know what I'm saying, like a vlog. Oh yeah, maybe did y'all want to see like what I wore today or something? Did y'all uh-oh, my camera just literally turned like some complete way different way. Hold on. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can y'all see me? Oh, I just zoomed in on my camera. Okay, I don't know if y'all can really see me nor really see my skirt for real. Just bear with me. But mind you, it is time for me to take my makeup off, because you know I don't sleep with my makeup. It's time for like removal of makeup and in a shower. But if y'all are not utilizing this rice water by the Face Shop, if y'all are not utilizing these products, I highly suggest that you do, especially if you wear makeup and lots of it, or just like you wear makeup very frequently and often. You know, I'm about to go in with the Face Shop Rice Water Bright facial makeup removal wipes. So they remove a lot of the makeup that's like on your face. Like it just does the thing. As y'all know, I just removed my eyelashes, so I'm happy. I'm ecstatic. I'm very ecstatic about that. Oh, this is so good. Okay, I'm learning how to film, y'all, which is basically being myself on camera and just doing like wholesome things, like basically self-care. Like if I wore like a face full of makeup, I'm taking it off before I go to bed. Some sounds so crusty over here. Oh my gosh, it was still a eyelash. Ew. I don't reuse eyelashes, I throw them away. Sometimes, depending on how I really truly feel, Like, I will literally, what I was gonna say. Sometimes I may use like 2 of them, just depending on how I feel. It doesn't hurt to use 2 if that's really what you want, but usually 1 really does the job. I'm just like doing this just because I can, and there's an abundance of everything, so why should I worry about? I shouldn't even worry. I'm always gonna have everything that I need in the time that I need it. I am abundant. Yeah, you can't go wrong with this type of, you can't go wrong with this type of you can't go wrong with this. Okay, so I should have kind of put y'all on ahead of time, but I'm about to like actually wash my hands before I really touch my face. I use the wipe, but always wash your hands before you touch your face, y'all. I've been wondering what I could be doing, you know, during the day and stuff like that with my time. And I've just came to the realization what I could be doing, y'all, is like making content, obviously. So if I gotta upload my content onto devices, different devices and stuff, I'll do that. Just to make more space for new content. Mind y'all, I need to get something. Hold on, y'all. If y'all are not using one of these like spa headbands, what are y'all doing? You know, it like basically keeps your hair out the way. And also, I think I'm gonna like, if I can, just for right now, just so I don't mess up like my hair, because I want to keep my hair on like for the video, for the camera. I'm about to go in with this raw rice water bright oil cleanse, so I want y'all to be able to see me do the full amount. Oh my gosh, I hope I didn't get that on my clothes. But this is like the oil cleanse, so it's like a double cleanse, y'all. So it's gonna allow you to kind of like really get in there with your pores. It's a light cleansing oil. So these 3 products all together are really good for you if you like wear makeup and stuff like that. It's very good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Okay, hopefully y'all can see me on cam a little bit. Hopefully y'all can kind of see me. Oh Lord, like it's not staying. I don't know if it's gonna stay. Yeah, I guess y'all can see me. If y'all can see me, good. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and rinse this off. I'm about to take my bracelet off. Okay. Mind y'all, I have yet to get like some more facial towels, so I'm just utilizing toilet tissue for right now. But let's get back to the applications of this stuff. And it's the Rice Water Bright. This is the foaming cleanser right here. So I'm gonna take this foaming cleanser. It's like a little bit, just like enough. I mean, you really don't need too much of this because it really foams. Like, it foams for real. But I was just thinking, like, I always like do this stuff. Like, I always do like my self-care routine, where like our night routine and stuff like that. I've been doing that, and it's like, why not record myself doing it? But it foams like really. I'm getting my arms like very wet and messy for y'all, but you know, it's okay. I just wanted to show y'all like how good this is. Like, it's really, really good. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see me. I obviously don't want to get no water on my camera. I'm trying to avoid that. But I do want y'all to like be able to see me as I do this. Oh my gosh. Hopefully y'all can see. Can y'all see me? Oh yeah, y'all can kind of see me for the most part. Then just rinse this off. The headband keeps my hair dry and not my face. Okay, y'all. So I am done with that. Just gonna come over here, get a little bit of toilet tissue to kind of dry off my eyeballs. And yeah. That was pretty much, that's the removal of my makeup. I recently got this soap off of the TikTok shop and stuff, and I'm actually about to utilize it right now. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm not sure if y'all can really see, but if y'all really pay attention, I still have like my under eye. Like, I still have my under eye. I still have my under eye still on my eyelids. So usually what I'll do is go back in with this cluster lash remover, and I'll like go in the mirror and like I'll reapply it. Okay, you can't go wrong with reapplying that onto your eyelashes, just in case, like a little bit of eyelashes still right there. Like, I'm just gonna wait and let that sit. But in the meantime, okay, so I'm gonna go in with this soap. I recently got off the TikTok shop, by the way. It's actually really, really good. It's been like, I feel like it's been helping clear my skin for the most part. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with this. Ooh, it feels so good washing your face. Feels so good washing my face. Feels so good. You can't go wrong with washing your face. Like, during your whole routine. Hopefully this will encourage you to like do this same routine for yourself, no matter how tired you are. I know sometimes we can get very tired and be like, forget it, forget, you know, washing our face from our makeup and stuff, because at times we do get really tired. But over here, I'm gonna ensure that I wash my face. And you see how I'm taking my time and like gracefully doing it? You know, it's so calming to the nervous system when you take your time doing things. Sometimes I may rinse my hand a little bit more just to emulsify it some. Okay, y'all, so I feel like I've really worked it and really good into my skin. So there's that. Usually what I do after I'm done utilizing my makeup stuff, I put it back in this like organizer, this beauty organizer, by the way. I'm gonna put on my glasses, back on my glasses so I can see. It's like a mad glare. Ooh, but yeah, so I've used these products, which I'm proud of. This is why this is also gonna help y'all stay organized. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to rinse this turmeric soap off my face. I love rinsing off my face after a long day. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. So that's good, y'all. Take a little bit of this toilet tissue. Finally. I try to rinse my face very thoroughly, just to ensure that I got everything off. Okay, I still didn't get everything I wanted off, y'all, but you know, this is why, as y'all can see, I still kind of got, like, my mascara is still on. I like a bare-faced bed because I'm not finna sleep in no makeup. But as you can see, since I put a little bit more of the lash cluster removal on, it's making it, and I let it sit. Now when I like take a little piece of tissue, toilet tissue, and like pull up a little bit, gently though, it makes it come off. Okay, yeah, I'm cleaning my eyelashes as we speak right now. Sometimes I may have to like reapply some. This is still so messy. Okay, I don't know. If y'all still watching this video, I know y'all is like really vibing. Ooh, okay, so I'm about to go on with the Neutron Cinnamon Jelly 3% cleanser. About to go on with this. I'll leave this on my face for about at least 5 minutes, which will give more time for the lash cluster glue to, well, not lash cluster glue, but the lash cluster glue removal. Yeah, removal. That will get all that off. Okay, I will see y'all back in about 5 minutes. I don't know if y'all can also see like the water, the amount of water that's like even on the floor a little bit. But this is why I like having like the spa handcuffs, like, or the spa cuffs, like. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to set my timer for 5 minutes. See y'all back when it ends. Another thing that I would highly suggest, no matter what you're doing, like after, like while I wait 5 minutes, I want to be proactive with my time. Like you never want to just let time pass. You want to be proactive with your time. So since I had used these wipes and everything, I want to go ahead and like throw away these wipes into this trash bag, pick up like all my little lashes, just like throw away these things that I don't need. That's how you kind of like, you're already cleaning up as you go. So as you clean up as you go, you don't have to go back and try to clean up after yourself. You see what I'm saying? Because you did it like the first time. So that's just a little tip to help you be like proactive, you know what I'm saying? And not let, you know, not let time pass, but be proactive with your time. That's how you expand your time and expand yourself and become your greatest version of yourself. But yeah, you can already see that my skin, if y'all can really see it, my skin has like really absorbed the product. That's why I'm working with the turmeric. But as you can see, like my like facial acne, I even got like a little like breakout starting up right there. But luckily, I still have pimple patches, by the way. They're like these heart pimple patches. I could put one of those on. And I have like a tooth way back here that I'm gonna have removed and stuff because it's been in there for so long. And I don't want it to like affect my health and like my skin and like my lymph nodes. One time my lymph nodes were so engorged that it was hurting so bad. So I'm definitely gonna go to the dentist and get it removed. And I think once it's removed, then like my lymphatic system and the blood circulating will it'll clear up this like facial, like where the dark spots and stuff. So everything starts internally first. So yeah. Because I think it has like a hole or something, and it's like allowing like food and other stuff to like to get in there, and we can't have that. That's not good. But always make sure you put your health first. It's just I have to wait for the appointment and stuff like that, but I'm gonna make sure I make it to my appointment, and y'all most likely will probably be with me if I can like film and stuff in there. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Uh-oh, y'all, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm about to go ahead and rinse this off my face, and I'm gonna get back right with y'all, okay? Okay. I don't know about y'all, but my newer ring light, it generates so much heat, like from having it on for long extended periods of time. But I wanted to show y'all the organic Mary Ruth's lymphatic drainage herbal blend liquid extract. It's really good. I'm really like down to like only a little bit in here. It's really not much in here. I'm gonna definitely have to get more, but it's been helping. I got like my eyelashes to be very, very clean. So let's get into this ordinary routine, by the way. Like, I'm ready to get into that routine. I'm gonna prop this up. But since my camera gets like overheated by being near the newer ring light for too long, we're gonna make this quick. I'm trying to make it aesthetically appealing, but I kind of actually just made a mess. Let me wash my hands real quick, y'all. Okay, so the Ordinary pH 5 exfoliating serum. This is really good. It's really, over time, has changed my lips drastically, by the way. This is the Ordinary seed oil. I think I actually rather start with the caffeine solution 5%. Some people say that this like got rid of their dark circles. Some say it didn't. Some people say it really just only got rid of their like puffiness. But this is definitely one of my favorite ways of pampering and taking care of myself. Because if I'm not taking care of myself, who else will? No one. Let's be real. But when I take care of myself, I know exactly what it is that I want, and I know exactly what it is that I don't want. Okay, this is the oil, y'all. Some people say this has really helped them a lot with their skin. And also, I just like the concept of like utilizing roses. Uh-oh. Just put some. I'm basically looking like a greased donut. Like a glazed donut, y'all. Pretty much. I tried to look for my heart things, but I didn't find them. My heart pimple patches. After this like dries, then I'll go in with my lip balm. Y'all see me with that later. Brushing my hands again just to get the oils off. Just in case, you start off with washing your wrists first, really good. Then you wash like the palm of your hands and go in between that thumb and then this thumb. Then you go in between your fingers and underneath those nails. My God. And you kind of just won't do the same thing over. And then I like to wash my hands with lukewarm water. Because I don't be wanting to get like dry hands and cracks within my hands. So that's just what I do. Okay. Now we got clean hands. I'm gonna dry them off. I like to pat my hands dry. I don't like to drag the towel like on my hands. I like to pat it dry. Patting it dry won't cause friction from the like towel rubbing on your skin, which won't give it like cracks on your hands and stuff like that, by the way. But okay, so that's pretty much my makeup removal routine. I'm definitely about to get into my shower routine. Y'all stay tuned for that. It's time to take a shower. It's time to take these clothes off. I'm gonna take some pictures so y'all can see them too. See what I wore today. Okay, so my phone, I meant to say camera, y'all. My camera is soon to actually die, so I want to just kind of make this quick so I can wrap up this video. But let me go into my like shower routine. Now, I use this soap completely all the way up, and what I realized with this soap, it actually does work on the skin over time. But as you can see, I have no more of this soap. When I do get the chance, I am going to go by the store, and I'm most likely going to get 2 of these bar soaps and the vitamin E oil, and just be consistent with it, like longer than like a month, you know. I think I had this soap for at least about a month at most, if not 2 months, at least 1 month. But since I'm completely out of that, I've been utilizing whatever's left, which is very little, of this Dr. Bronner's. I go on first with the Dr. Bronner's. This is a really good antibacterial soap, or like a very clean soap, like you know you're gonna be peppermint fresh. But if you really want to go in for like an antibacterial or very clean cleansing soap, I use the Dettol and the Dr. Bronner's. I use these two. I've been mixing these two to achieve, you know, the cleanliness that I want, because cleanliness is next to godliness. I'm just saying. I also started utilizing, it's like this Crest bar. I'm not sure if I still have the box. I'm gonna go see if I do. Okay, I don't know where I put this box, but I think it's like a peach blossom, like it has like a peach blossom scent to it, but it's like a scented soap. Now, y'all know with skin and like acne, back acne, chest acne, that's something that I have dealt with. But what I utilize after I do my Dettol and Dr. Bronner's and stuff, I go in with the Sun by Me. This is the body cleanser. It's like a miracle acne body cleanser. When I first started utilizing it, I've utilized this for probably 2-3 months, and I've seen significant change with my chest. Like I had like a few breakouts, like purging, like where like all the excess like gunk comes out and surface on your skin. But other than that, I haven't had any more breakouts on my chest. And like slowly but surely enough, my back acne has changed too as well. It seems like my spots are starting to fade. Then I go in with the Miracle Toner Mist. Now, as y'all can see, I have been definitely utilizing this, but this works, you know. You just spray it on your body and then you just kind of pat it a little bit and stuff, and you let it air dry. Now, after I fully get out of the shower, I go in with the Sun by Me. It's the Repair Body Cream. This is really good for your acne and stuff like that. Any type of, it's really good for your skin. Since the Sun by Me Miracle Body Cleanser can be very drying, you should definitely go in with this after you get out of the shower, just to make sure that it locks in the moisture. Now, I showed y'all the Caress like bar soap that I forgot where the box is. Don't know where the box is. You know, I have yet to try this Dove bar soap, but I'll use this one. It's like a shed butter with and vanilla scent. I have not used this one yet because I'm currently using the Crest now as like a scented soap for myself. But also, after I go in with my acne cleanser, I usually go in with my staple, which this is my staple. I got like a really good amount and still in here. But as you can see, I've been utilizing. I go in with the Saltaire. It's the saltwater vanilla. I go in with this after I finish with my like Sun by Me, and after I do my Dr. Bronner's and Dettol, I go in with the saltwater vanilla soap. And then, you know, after I get out of the shower, I dry off and stuff and double dry and stuff. I like go in. I've been utilizing the Saltaire saltwater vanilla roll-on deodorant. I've been utilizing this. This is really good. 48 hours. And then I also use like my body oil to also seal in my moisture as well. Some other things that I like to do is like dry brush. I like to dry brush my whole entire like body before like I go into the shower. That's good. It exfoliates the dry skin. It also like helps you to like further drain your lymphatic system by the motions that you do like with the brush and stuff. So I got this from Ecos Tools. You could get this from like Target or I think anywhere really. Also, I have yet to actually try this, but it's like this like foot thing. So while your feet are wet, you can like use it on the bottom of your feet to make your feet smooth, and it gets all the like dead skin off. So this is something I like to use as well. Yeah, but that's pretty much my like shower routine. As far as like shaving and stuff, I don't like utilizing razors. I actually like using Veet if I could find it. But I actually like using Veet, and I know like you need to like exfoliate before you actually Veet or shave. I like to Veet. I really don't like to shave. It comes with like a plastic spatula that's attached to this when you first get it, and I use that just to like kind of scoop the hair up. Oh yeah, it is time to Veet though, y'all. It's time to Veet. Well over past due time to Veet. But I usually like to Veet before I even hop in the shower. So this would be something I would do before I hop into the shower. But I know you're supposed to exfoliate before you Veet. So a lot of times I'll create my own like body scrub. And I'll like put my scrub, I'll either pat my scrub on and gently as much as I can, depending on the thickness and the consistency of my own scrub. I'll put it underneath my arms and I'll let it sit for about like 30 minutes or so. And then I'll like rinse it off, I believe. Yeah, I rinse it off. And then like I'll go ahead and pat dry my arms, and then I'll go in with my Veet for about like under 9 minutes is the amount of time. And then I take the scalpel and then I just remove all the hair, and then I just hop straight into the shower because you don't want that. Like, it's not as strong as Nair, but it still has like a stench a little stench to it and stuff like that, and you don't want it to burn, so you go ahead and hop in the shower and rinse it off, and then you're all like hair free and soft and feminine, like, you know. But other than okay, so y'all, my camera is only on 5%, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. I will see y'all. I'm gonna rush and try to take a picture of what I wore today. Well, it's on 4% now, but I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna put my camera on the charger, take the pictures and show y'all, and then I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower because that's mandatory. Can't go to bed dirty or and then like that. Gotta wash the full body, you know, with my Dr. Bonnas and Data, you feel me? I also wanted to show y'all real quick, not to get distracted, but I wanted to show y'all this flosser that I got. So once I get my tooth extracted, I'll be able to flush it out, not immediately after I get my tooth pulled out, but as time progresses. Oh yeah, and y'all know I love me some Dr. Bonners, y'all. This the facial toner right here. I could have used the rose toner. This the facial mist. This is good for like the gym and when you work out, just to refreshing yourself up. And here is my hydrating milky cleanser with hyaluronic acid. What is focus? With snow mushroom. So yeah, but anyway, I gotta do what I gotta do. So yeah, see y'all.